Hey, welcome to Southern Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the Wagyu Filets we cooked on the SNS Travel Kettle. Hey, I'm Craig, man behind the cameras, Jack. Yes, got the Travel Kettle set up, gonna do indirect cooking. Got two beautiful fillets from Grand Western. Wagyu Score 8 to 9, which is, from what I read, the highest you can get. Marbled beautifully. Gonna cook them slowly, gonna get them to about 110, 115 or so before we start searing them off. You saw us, as we do every time, light them up the fire cups with the fire occasion there, get the charcoal right over it, gets the fire lit perfectly, works like a great product. So Brian seasoned these with salt just about 4 hours ago. Let them sit, they're looking good. See you on the grill. All right, so we just passed 80, and you can see the grill is rock solid, 255. You got this thing set up, and that holds right there, man. This grill's amazing. And that's half smoke hole, half vent, 250. Bring it back when we get to about 110, 115. All right, let's pull these off. This one was reading 110, so this one's like right at 110. And this one was reading just a little bit more, about 113, 114. Or yeah, when I checked it was 113, 114, and this one's just a little bit less. That's actually good. My wife likes it just a little bit past medium rare, so we'll sear these pretty good and get these to the perfect temperature. Bring it back when we sear them off. All right, let's start searing these off. This is the one that's a little bit smaller. Get on the fire, see how these are sitting. Oh, I have a problem there. There we go. Had the charcoal a little bit high on there, so. All right, let's give them a spin. And again, we'll go slow because we don't want to get these too charred, but it's looking like the fire's hot, but it's not really, and the flay's not going to flare up like a ribeye will. All right, another flip. All right, this time again. Still not getting a sear I want to see here, but that's all right. Still going to be good. All right, getting a little bit of flame there, so we're going to move these around a little bit. Now we're getting there. This may be it, or I may go just a little bit more on this one side yet. See what they look like. They're going to be good enough. I don't want to overcook these. This is the side that we have going pretty good there. Get just a little bit of flame on that one yet. We'll bring it off. There we go. All right, we'll see you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Two Wagyu, I want to say ribeyes because they're my favorite, but two Wagyu Filets, BMS score of 8 to 9 from Grand Western in Florida. 8 ounces, like I said, 8 to 9 score, nice marbled. Salted them about 4 hours in advance. The only thing we did to them, had the grill running right at 255, I think it was, and you saw it, the whole cook stayed right exactly there. Got it to 80, flipped them, 110, pulled them off. One was at 115 at that point, which is good. It's a smaller one here. My wife likes it a little bit more done, so that's going to be a good one there for her to sample from. And got the fire nice and hot. You don't see the flames like you do on other meats just because there wasn't quite as much fat in these, but like I said, definitely marbled. This one got a pretty nice crust. This one not as much, but let's see how we did. It's like cutting butter here. Yeah, that looks perfect. Take a corner here. Wow, it was that tender and juicy, and just that salt brine, man, you can really tell it coming through. on this thing. But this is going to be a good dinner tonight. So hopefully, like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get a notification. We'll see you next time.